Enjoy this wonderful magnetic jumping frog. For this you require several ring magnets, a piece of rubber, a straw and a few odd things. Take the straw and fix it in the rubber base. Then take the ring magnets and place them inside the straw. Now take the top magnets, reverse them and put them back in the straw and they'll be repelling. Take a few more magnets, pull them out, reverse them and put them back again. If you keep doing like this, what you would make would be a kind of a magnetic spring. If you push the top ones, the lower ones push them back. This is like a little magnetic spring. If you raise a lower magnet, all the top ones get raised. Now make a colorful card sheet frog and tape a straw to it. Take this green frog and place it in the vertical straw. Now if you push Mr. Frog down below, it just jumps up. This is a jumpy frog. It's a magnetic jumping frog.